In addition to controlling the behavior of a sweep profile with guide curves, you can also have a profile twist as it swept along a path. Let's take a look at how this is done. I already have two sketches in place, so I can click the sweep icon to begin. I'll select the profile and path, and a preview of this simple sweep appears. In the Property Manager, I'll expand the Options section and select Twist Along Path from the Orientation list. The characteristics of the twisting behavior can be specified in number of turns, degrees, or radians. I'll select turns for this example. You can see the resulting geometry is drastically different. This is a useful feature to be familiar with, especially if it's going to save you from having to create complex guide curves. Take this model for instance. Creating this without the use of the twist can be quite a challenge. The sweep path used here is a circle, and the twisting is taken care of through the use of the Twist Along Path option. The Twist Along Path option can also be combined with Keep Normal Constant to further control the behavior of the sweep. Take a look at this part. This is a sweep using a rectangular profile, an arc as a path, and the Twist Along Path orientation setting. If I create a section view that runs parallel to the profile sketch plane, you can see the intermediate profiles are quite different in shape than the rectangular profile. Let me edit the sweep and enable the Twist Along Path with Normal Constant option. This shape will take a second for SolidWorks to generate, but it's normal as your geometry gets more and more complex for features to take longer to rebuild. Take another look at that section view. Notice this time the intermediate profiles are the exact same shape as the original.